Plastic bags, takeout containers, disposable cutlery. Every single item here will outlive all of us by hundreds of years. It's time to make a change. Ready to start your zero waste journey? Let's do this. Zero waste doesn't mean producing no trash at all. It's about minimizing waste and rethinking how we use and dispose of things. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. Start by taking a hard look at your trash. What do you throw away the most? Plastic, food scraps, single-use items? Understanding your waste is the first step to reducing it. Refuse. Say no to single-use plastics like straws and bags. Reduce, declutter, and only keep what you truly need. Reuse. Invest in reusable items like water bottles, shopping bags, and coffee cups. Recycle. Properly sort your recyclables and learn what's accepted in your area. Rot. Start composting your organic waste. These 5 principles will guide you as you transition to a zero-waste lifestyle. Plastic bottles, reusable metal water bottles, cling wrap, beeswax wraps, disposable cutlery, a portable cutlery set, shopping bags, canvas tote bags. These small changes can make a big difference over time. Choose products with minimal or no packaging. Bring your containers to bulk food stores and support local businesses. Connect with others in the zero waste community for support, ideas, and inspiration. Together we can create a bigger impact. Every piece of trash we avoid today is one less burden for our planet tomorrow. Don't wait for the perfect moment to start. Begin your zero waste journey today. Commit to one change right now. Refuse that plastic straw, bring your bag, or start composting. The planet needs you and the time to act is now. Thank you for watching and for caring about our planet. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to help spread the zero waste message. Together, we can make a difference. See you next time.